$49.
So there wasn't.
No, it looked really good.
No, no. I'm saying. Isn't that finished work?
Yeah. No, it's Baker, yeah. It's my printer now. It's mine. It took 3 months from the guy who to Andy, and now it's been about 3 weeks now. Not 3 weeks tomorrow.
Oh, keep going. Nice shooting.